description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles should you choose to. Today we've got one I found at a place called G-Mart. G-Mart is across from the Walmart market in Linwood, Washington, and this is Otoki with their K-pop stars secret beef udon flavor mung bean and potato noodle. Interesting. So I've been kind of in a situation of not having a lot of varieties to review, and so I hit up G-Mart, found some. I hit up H-Mart, found some. Hit up Walmart, found something horrible, but it needed to be reviewed. Dill pickle cup noodle, which, and then I got a box from Dubai, which I'm gonna hopefully be able to have time to do an unboxing of today. That is full of South Korean tteokbokki and tteokbokki. So there will be a lot of those cups showing up. I'm gonna guess if I can get to that today, then not the next episode, but the one after that, you'll start seeing those. Okay. But yeah, this is 120 calories. That is why it's supposedly the K-pop stars' secret to their wonderfulness. I don't know. That's funny though. I always thought it was kimchi. 3 minutes. Throw that over there. So yeah, it's been freaking crazy. All I see on Public Freakout on Reddit, there's a subreddit called Public Freakout, and it's got some great clips of people just behaving like idiots. But there have been tons of them about ICE agents showing up all over in Los Angeles. These guys are wearing masks. They look like it's like paramilitary, really weird stuff. And then they had a bunch of military vehicles going to, what's it called, MacArthur Park. I don't know anything about that area, but and then supposedly all these people showed up and they got mad about it and like drove them out. So it's a very strange thing. Big thing in the news right now is the Epstein client list, which we were promised we would see, kinda, and then now it never existed. Uh-oh. The robot vacuum is loose. Hopefully it won't torture us. Of course it's gonna. Good. Stop it. Alexa, send Roomba home. Oh, I turned it off, so... See? I tell you. Alexa, send Roomba home. It's not gonna listen, is it? Oh, me? Alexa, send Roomba home. What a pain in the ass this thing is. I mean, it works really well, but it also... No. Get out of here. Get out of here. It's not offline, it's harassing me. Now it says Roomba is offline. What? You're not offline. Well, anyways, maybe Ice can come and deal with my Roomba. I don't know, but it's really irritating. I like this thing, but I don't. Oh, are those little stars in it? There are stars in it, ladies and gentlemen. Beef udon flavored stars? I don't know. Here, have a look at that. See little stars? Okay. So here's our pain in the ass to eat noodle. Maybe that's how it. Maybe it's less than 120 calories because it's impossible to eat. Let's see. We'll get one of. Here we go. Interesting. Ugh. Here. Let's be sparing. What is that thing? Whoa. Okay. I would hope the K-pop stars, with all their riches, would go a little more forward with their interesting foods to sample, because those stars are not hydrated. Not even slightly. And what sucks is I don't have any scallion. What am I gonna do here? We'll go this route. Hold on. Bear with me, sorta. Here's some pepper thread. Yeah, we got pepper thread. We'll do a little crushed red pepper. I don't even know if the pepper thread will show up. I'm in the mood for curry. I do have some chashu ready to go. I was really expecting the last review would use more chashu, but it really didn't. But this is pork, so that's kind of not beef, but we can torch the pork. Can't use this much lately. And yeah, it's, aside from the little stars definitely not being good, way too chewy. Yeah, there you go. So I also got one that's a spicy version. So that'll be coming soon, and I will have some scallion shortly. But the next one you're going to see is this. I haven't reviewed this in like 8 years. This is Sapporo Ichiban chow mein, a favorite of mine for years. This one I used to always boil and drain. But yeah, we're doing this in the skillet on the next one. And you're going to love it. You're going to lose your mind. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Hey, check out my Patreon. There's a link in the description. Really appreciate it. Have a good one. Bye-bye.